Hi friends, this is Amit Kumar Das. Today we discuss distribution substation. Here is the power plant that may be hydro या thermal या nuclear या solar या wind. During generation, generating voltage is very less. That may be 11 kV. So need to increase the voltage for transmitting the power for long distance. So here is the step-up transformer in step-up substation to increase the voltage. This is the ultra high voltage system. Here is the transmission substation, this is the transmission line, and this is the distribution substation, and this is the consumer's home. A load may be industrial load or domestic load. So today we discuss distribution substation. Here is the distribution substations. Distribution substations may be indoor type, outdoor type. Gas insulated substation. Gas insulated substation today we are not discuss here. We only discuss indoor type, outdoor type. Distribution substations may be 33 upon 11 kV या 11 upon 440 volt या 33 upon 440 volt. This is the single line diagram of 33 upon 11 kV substation. Here is the 33 kV incoming. This is the 33 kV lighting arrestor which is earthed, and this is the isolator, and this is the 33 kV vacuum circuit breaker, and this is the isolator, and this is the CT. The rating of current transformer 200 by 1 ampere, and this is the potential transformer of 33 kV line, and this is the 33 kV bus bar. This is the isolator with earth switch, breaker, CT, isolator, and this is the lighting arrestor which is earth. This is the power transformer, and this is the CT, and this is the breaker, and this is the 11 kV bus bar, and this is the PT, potential transformer, and this is the 100 kV 11 upon 440 volt station transformer, and this is the outgoing feeders 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feeders, and this is the breaker, isolator, CT, isolator, this is the lighting arrestor and outgoing feeders. This is the 33 upon 11 kV substation. This is the outdoor switch yard, and this is the 33 kV side, and this is 11 kV side. Here 33 kV incoming to lighting arrestor, then breaker, this is the CT, and this is the power transformer, this is the main breaker of 11 kV side, and this is the 3 sub breakers. Here 3 outgoing feeders, so there are 3 breakers. So at 11 kV side there are 4 breakers, and that must be 4 control and relay panel inside the control room. And at 33 kV side, this is the 1 breaker, that must be 1 33 kV shear panel inside the control room. Shear panel and breaker CTPT must be connected through control cable of 2 core, 4 core, 6 core. And this is the cable trains. This is the 33 kV control and relay panel, and this is the 11 kV shear panel. At 33 kV side there is only one breaker, one CT and one PT. At 11 kV side there are 4 breakers, 4 CT and PT. So all the shear panel must be installed inside the control room, and shear panel and breaker CT/PT are connected through control cables of 2 core, 4 core, 6 core. For operating breaker and shear panel need DC supply. So at control room there is a DC panel with battery that converts AC to DC. This 33 kV shear panel connected with Buckles relay of power transformer and also breaker and CT/PT. This is a 33/11 kV substation where 11 kV side is indoor type. All the panels, breaker, CT/PT, bus bar inside the control room. And this is the 33 kV side. Here outdoor type having breaker CT/PT outside the control room. So only for 33 kV side breaker need a control relay panel inside the control room, but for 11 kV sides all the panels inside the control room. This is the 11 kV feeder panels. Here is the main panel. Incoming main cable from power transformer to main panel, and all the feeders panel is connected through bus bar. Here having CT/PT, bus bar, breaker. So if we have 3 feeders, so there are 3 feeder panels for 3 feeder and 1 main panel. And this is the 33/0.4 kV 3000 kVA substations. Here directly 33 kV step down to 440 volt. Here is the incoming 33 kV, and this is the ELA, AB switch and DO, and this is the power transformer which step down 33 kV to 440 volt, and this is the control room where feeders panel installed. This is the 11 kV by 440 volt substations. This is the single line diagram. Here 11 kV incoming. This is the vacuum circuit breaker CT. This is the power transformer of 11 kV by 400 volt. This is the air circuit breaker CT and feeders. Main circuit MCCB CT. Now this is the 11/4 kV substation. Here 11 kV incoming, and this is the power transformer. We step down the voltage to 400 volt. Thank you friends. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Please.